here from Marc and Cars. Today you find me in Adelaide, South Australia, and I have walked into an Aladdin's cave. I'm at RSR Sports Cars out here in Edwardstown, and they have got an unbelievable facility. It's pretty nice cars here too. Let's have a look. So this is Cam. He works here at RSR, and he's going to give us a bit of a show around the place. How are you today, mate?
Very well. Good to see you.
Thank you. So here I am for Porsche fans, it's pretty much an Aladdin cave. Lots of nice stuff in here. Can you tell us a bit about some of the cars?
Mainly, so this area is a bit of a mixed bag of both works in progress. We're storing a couple of cars. This car is owned by a chap that lives overseas. So
it's 911E here?
It is, yeah. So that one's in storage. We drag it out from underneath the covers every now and then, and just Marc will take it home once or twice to keep everything nice and good.
Yeah, sure. Looks like it's got a bit of mild RS treatment gone onto it, has it? Slightly modified?
Yeah, so it's obviously an early 911. This one is from memory a 71E and has had correct RS rear flares working on the back.
Yeah, very tastefully done.
It is. It's a lovely bit of kit, beautiful in tangerine orange.
Great colour. I see you're leaning on a car that looks like it's in dire need of some love and some removal of Bondo.
Correct. So this one, yes, as you can see, has had or been involved in a fair old accident that wasn't the driver's fault.
A lot of viewers on my channel are well aware I'm a sympathiser to the 356, and this Pre-A looks like some sort of outlaw conversion to right-hand drive or something along those lines, is it?
This one, to the best of my knowledge, is actually an Australian delivered Pre-A.
Wow, okay.
So right-hand drive. I don't know why that part of the dash has been pulled out. I don't really know much of the history on this one, but yeah. So this one, I think, was bought by the owner quite a while ago and has had a fair amount of...
Before they turned into gold, yeah?
Exactly, yeah. So vent screen Pre-A this one, which is...
I hope the windscreen's been well looked after right now somewhere.
So this one came to us as a very rusty shell. It is an early 911 body. And I guess the owner's vision of this was always to be a period correct hot rod. As you can see, twin plug engine.
Hey, this thing has got all the suspension fruit, hasn't it?
It has.
There's been and the brakes as well. There's been nothing left untouched here.
No.
So I've just walked into the body shop here at RSR and it is unbelievable. We've got a Speedster, having the metalwork done up here on the hoist. Left-hand drive one, bit hard to see, but all the metalwork's getting done currently. T6 car here, it's a bit of body conversion modifications done. There's a bit of outlaw action, all getting straightened up on the jig too by the looks of it. Just going to stay left-hand drive this one?
It will. Well, certainly for now, what we're doing on this one is just addressing the most serious of the rust issues it has.
Sure. Yep.
The floors and certainly the front were very average.
Looks like a T6 car, is it?
Correct.
Yeah, okay.
Correct. So and beautiful slate grey originally.
Oh, fantastic colour, yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
So you can see there's the guys here also are agents for Simonson panels, I believe, so there's plenty of those getting used in the restoration of this car, which means everything goes together properly. So these are the parts that came off that car that was on the jig. Aluminium sheet on top of the original problem, then we've got some bog on top of that. There's some other bits and pieces just there that came off that car. See some colour samples here in the workshop all across the top. Like a packet of Skittles. Got another 356 up here from the hoist up here, looking like it's getting a fair bit of rust repair done.
Yeah, that one is another SC, but a UK car. So as you can imagine, it has suffered the ravages, a little bit of a UK.
That's like a salted road, is it?
A bit of tin worm in that, well and truly. So that's what that rear has come off.
Variable selection of drum brake wheels here. There's a couple of new ones too.
Yeah.
It's going on here a bit of date matching.
Something like that, yeah.
So we've got a T6B coupe, it looks like, I'm guessing.
I think you're right.
Yep, oh yeah, from the fuel filler. Yep, I can see that. Yeah, because it's got the external fuel filler as a T6.
Yes.
It's a factory left-hand drive car and it's being converted to right-hand drive. And sunroof car, judging by the water outlet just here. How's the number plate on this? Fantastic. There's plenty of engines getting work done on them or dismantled or rebuilt here at the moment.
There is a few works in progress. We've just actually had a run of about 4 930 engines, and that, as you can see, has suffered a fairly catastrophic failure, and
yeah, I'm pretty sure that bit's missing.
never to be returned to its hole.
Oh yeah, okay, look at that. Swap here, and I'll have a quick look at this slant nose cabriolet here. Full Miami Vice pack.
Yes, this one, sadly the owner of this one passed away some time ago. It had been parked up in a shed for many years, and
Yeah, okay.
we have been doing the job of basically getting it
Oh my goodness, look at the finish on the bottom.
getting it up and running to be I guess sold off.
So Cam, thanks very much for showing us around today. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day, and
Pleasure, mate.
you know, the team here look like you guys have got a pretty good job and enjoy your job here. So
Yes, it's a bit of a dream job. A few people tell me regularly how jealous they are.
yeah,
So,
fantastic. Yep. So yeah, thanks very much. And any of you viewers got Porsches that need some work and you're in South Australia or anywhere in Australia or even overseas, don't hesitate in contacting the guys here, and I'm sure they can get you sorted out. It's been a really fun afternoon having a look around, and if you haven't already, please think about subscribing to the channel and sharing the video. Any comments you want to make, please, I do read them and I do respond. Thanks for watching Marc and Cars.